Alright, welcome back to the Aussie Dad Life. Today we're putting some new single beds in for the boys. They used to be in a double bunk bed, but we've decided we're going to put them in some single ones. So the wife picked up these Mocka single white beds. They're $160 each. Not sure what the website is exactly. I'll chuck that in probably down below. But for the price, we just wanted something simple and plain. I've done one already.
We put it in Mason's one.
Yeah, that's right. Put it in Mason's room. So we're going to do another one now, and I'll show you a couple of little tips and tricks that will help the bed go together a little bit easier. Anyway, so thanks for watching Aussie Dad Life. Subscribe, hit the like, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching so far, and we'll get into it.
Dad, what are you doing, Dad?
What am I doing? I'm going to make your bed. So they give you some Allen keys to put these things together with, but they're cheap, chintzy things that'll easily sort of deform. What I do is I went down to Bunnings and bought a little hex set for your drill or impact drive. I think you get 5 different sizes for about $10. And on those tight corner spots where you can't easily get in, the thing that you need is a little socket set that's got a little flexible elbow. Having that makes it so much easier to get into the real tight spots where you would be just using your hand and taking quite a while to screw them up together. Thanks, buddy. So you can use these extension bits just to give you a little bit more reach so that the drill's not jammed up in the corners in those tight spots. So I'll show you as I'm going along what they look like. Alright, so we've got it all apart. As you can see, it's fairly just a straightforward bed frame. It's made out of metal. Not a lot of parts to it, as you can see down here, and we'll start to put it together. Pretty straightforward. Alright, so what I've got here is the extension length, the little adjustable elbow, a socket that the end of this fits in. So now it's got a little bit of room and I've got a little bit of length. So if I want to just put it into that to do it up, screw the nut on. Get the little tool that it comes with. Done. No mucking about. Do the next one. Alright, so that's finished. Literally took 30 minutes to put together. I think the other one, when I did it all by hand with the Allen keys, took around an hour. Overall, it's pretty sturdy. I don't think it's going to move too much, even with the boys jumping around on them. Thing that's different, which I haven't seen before, not on the walls, is this what do you want to call it? Plywood that's curved. So obviously it's got a bit of springiness to it. So I don't know if the boys jumping on the bed or not is going to cause problems, but we'll see how it holds up. Otherwise you can just go down to Bunnings and buy some straight slats and sit them on there and go from there. But for $160, I think pretty well put together thing. I'll leave the link in the description if anyone else is interested. Very straightforward. Thanks, buddy. To put together. So I hope you've enjoyed watching, and once again, thanks for watching Aussie Dad Life, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.